996 till the new halving days. Current crypto fear and greed index is at 70%, which is greed, and Bitcoin is currently trading at a 44.1k area, which is obviously slightly below our uptrend support. That was eventually broken. We had a lot of bounces, but obviously we had a breakout, we had a close below this uptrend support, and current support, crucial support on a Bitcoin on a 4-hour time frame would be at the 42k area. Current resistance would be at a 45.5k. So current trading channel would be 45.5k and 42k. We're currently trading below MA ribbon, which is negative sentiment on a 4-hour time frame. Other indicators, MACD is still in the red phase, and RSI is slightly oversold, which is slightly bullish, but you know, it's not, RSI is not that big of an important indicator, especially on a small time frames like a 4-hour. Volume, we don't have a lot of volume, pretty much average volume for this month. Daily time frame is still above MA ribbon slightly, but at least we're still above MA ribbon, and sadly we are currently trading below 200 MA, which is pretty sad, but it's okay. That's okay, because 50 MA is still curving to the upside and still going pretty fast. MACD is starting the red phase on a daily, and RSI is in a neutral zone. Weekly time frame is actually starting to look negative. If we're gonna have a close below previous open, which below previous open of the candle on a weekly, which was 43.7k, so if we're gonna have a close at the 43.5k or even below, that would be pretty bad on a weekly. So yeah, it's pretty much it for the weekly, daily, and 4-hour time frame. Currently waiting for a 42k support, or at least a breakout of our previous zone that was area that was 45.5k, which became our current resistance. So let's move on to the news. Today we don't have a lot of news, and let's start with some small, if you can call it a FUD, but kind of neutral FUD. So the founder of the Bitcoin mixer Helix pleads guilty to money laundering charges. His name is Larry Dean Harmon. He's a founder and operator of the Bitcoin mixing service Helix, and he had pled guilty on Wednesday to money laundering charges. So yeah, and previously he was fined with $60 million in the last year, and now he has new charges apparently. Also, we got some news. Again, kind of neutral news. We don't have bullish news for today, as you can imagine. Same as the TA. News are following pretty much the TA. They're only dropping positive news when it's bullish and hitting a new highs. So Bitcoin use will be totally optional in El Salvador, finance minister says. I mean, that's pretty obvious. It's that it would be an optional thing, because El Salvador has two currencies right now, which is Bitcoin and dollar. So obviously you can pick any currency you want. So I mean, that's kind of useless news though. It's pretty obvious one, but whatever. So yeah, currently watching 4-hour time frame and our 45.5k resistance, 42k support channel, and obviously hoping for a breakout of the resistance to the moon.